Arc Browser is a modern web browser that offers a unique approach to browsing, with a focus on customization and a more streamlined user interface compared to traditional browsers. It's designed to be fast, minimalist, and visually appealing. Here are some key features and details about using Arc Browser on Windows. Key features of Arc Browser. 1. Innovative UI design. Arc uses a sidebar for managing tabs and apps, providing a more organized and visually clean experience compared to the traditional tab bar in browsers like Chrome or Firefox. 2. Customizable interface. The browser allows you to easily customize the design with themes, and you can organize your browser space by grouping tabs or apps in a way that suits your workflow. 3. Spaces. This feature lets you create different spaces for different types of tasks, such as work, personal, or entertainment. 3. Each space can have its own set of tabs and apps, helping to reduce clutter. 4. Collaboration features. Arc provides tools for collaborative browsing, where users can share a space with others, making it easier to work together on research or projects. 5. Enhanced bookmarking. Arc offers a new take on bookmarks, enabling you to organize your saved links more efficiently, and allowing you to add them as faves that are readily accessible in the sidebar. 6. Integrated apps. You can turn websites into apps, placing them in the sidebar for easy access, which can help consolidate all your tools in one place. 7. Focus mode. Arc has a focus mode that can hide unnecessary UI elements, providing a more distraction-free browsing experience. System requirements. Operating system, Windows 10 or later. Processor, 64-bit CPU. RAM, at least 4 GB. Visit the official Arc Browser website, https://arc.net. Follow the installation instructions to install Arc Browser on your Windows PC. Arc Browser is a great choice for users looking for a modern and customized web browsing experience, especially if you enjoy productivity-oriented features like spaces and task organization.